Well, it's been a phenomenal stretch of weather over the last 5 days or so. High temperatures have been in the 70s, and we've been climbing. Got close to 80 yesterday, but I think we'll have one more day in the 70s today before the temperatures really start to take off. Now, it's quite interesting when you look at runs of 6 days with high temperatures that are less than 80 degrees between the middle of July and the middle of August. That's only happened 19 times in the historical record, but has not happened since 2009. So this is kind of rare air that we're dealing with over the past several days. Again, one more day in the 70s for today, but then we're really going to start to see a pattern shift. Those winds become more consistent from the south, and temperatures are going to start to creep up. And it looks like the mid to upper 80s by about Wednesday, Thursday. 90, I think, is the peak of our heat coming up on Friday. Then we'll have some rain chances that might cool things down ever so slightly over the weekend. But as far as the humidity is concerned, that's been pretty good as well. It's going to remain really comfortable for today in the upper 50s, and then we'll see the dew points climbing quickly. Mid 60s for tomorrow. That becomes quite noticeable. And then uncomfortable air, really thick and muggy air for Thursday and Friday. And then with the heat that's on the way, we're going to look at heat indices tracking back up to the mid and upper 90s by the end of this week. So summer will be returning, but will that come with the rain and the storm chances? Kind of. There are very fringe chances that are on the way. We should be dry for the rest of this afternoon, just seeing the mix of sun and clouds becoming more of a mostly sunny sky for the later part of the day. But then I think tonight a few more clouds will track on in. It should be partly cloudy. Same thing for tomorrow. A few clouds out there, and we can't rule out maybe a few stray sprinkles coming out of those clouds just because it is going to be warmer, a little bit more humid, but really not enough to put a percentage on the graphics. So very few of us seeing just a few light sprinkles. Slightly better chance coming in for Tuesday night and Wednesday, but the showers will be decaying pretty quickly, and I think that will leave us with a pretty much dry Wednesday as well. Our next best chance for rain and storms would come Wednesday night into Thursday, but even that right now is a 20% chance. So just really on the edge of all these chances. But we have one more day of really nice weather. 70s and low 80s out there for today with a light wind and low humidity. And then for tonight, we drop down to the upper 50s and low 60s. So a pretty nice night as well. Tuesday, Wednesday, you can see the temperature starting to climb with the partly cloudy skies, getting to the mid 80s there Wednesday. Highs climb back to 90 by Friday, then a few more storm chances and better rain chances really over the weekend.